Facing my first losing streak, a lesson in persistence and sound trading strategy.
I'm just making this video. I don't know when I'm gonna upload it, but I'm just making it because I just experienced my first ever losing streak. I've never lost 4 trades in a row. This has been a new experience. Yesterday I lost 3 trades in a row, and then today I lost another trade in a row. And then I took the next trade and it was a dub, so my losing streak was broken, so it was 4. I've never experienced that before with this strategy. And yeah, I'm just here to say that there's just no way to be able to predict the market. And whenever you are faced with losing streaks, I was hit with a lot of thoughts yesterday of just how I'm trading. Am I doing something wrong, or just all these random thoughts of like kind of like self-doubt, or even like, oh, am I gonna lose this account, or like am I meant for this, or like just it could be a whole series of thoughts whenever you're experiencing adversity and you're not, and like the market is completely going against you in all your trades. I just experienced it. I didn't like it. There wasn't anything I could do about it, but um I just kept taking the next trade. Yesterday I thought about maybe what I could do to higher my probability of trades, and I truly believe that taking trades along with the daily bias, while it might be a little bit more boring, I think the probability of taking those trades is higher than going against the trend or the bias of the day. I learned a lot from the 3 L's that I took yesterday. One of those L's was a trading error. I risk managed wrong. I broke my risk management rule. I got out of a trade and got into a buy, and then got out of the buy and got back into my sell in which I was in, and I could have just risk managed how I knew I should have. So I could have avoided, um, 30 something points of extra losing. And today I took the same trade. I took it with the bias. I lost it. I risk managed, and then I took the next trade and ended up being a W, and I risk managed. And it's just to say that like we can't predict what's gonna happen. We might go on winning streaks. We might go on losing streaks. We might go back and forth. But the only thing that matters, the only thing that is truly valuable, that actually works for a long period of time, is you following your plan. If you start revenge trading or FOMOing or breaking rules, multiple rules, I caught myself because one of these guys in the chat, his name is Will, he said, bro, follow your plan G. And that like snapped me out of like, oh, I shouldn't be even in this trade. Like that's against my risk management rules. So holding, and then just realizing like not having my ego in front of me of just like, yeah, you're right. Like I need to chill. And yeah, and just being able to hold yourself accountable, not let your ego get in the way of revenge trading, FOMOing, something of sorts that, doesn't allow you to be profitable in the long term. And everybody's going to go on a losing streak. Everybody's going to go on a winning streak. It's just, how do you handle those things? Do you let your thoughts get to you? Because I can assure you that you're going to have a lot of thoughts. At the end of the day, the market's just going to move how the market's going to move, and I can just risk manage and take the loss, take the win, move on to the next trade. How I dealt with it, I just understood that the market is literally moving. There's nothing I can do about it except following my plan, and I haven't ever experienced a losing streak like this before with my strategy. So the fact that I experienced it and it was broken, that's cool. The market has been super rangy, and I've still been trading. Maybe I should have, not traded those days, but that's not really how I view the market. I just view the market as it moving, and I take trades when my strategy says to. And if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. I just lost 4 times in a row. I could have been 3, but it was 4 because I made a trading error. And I'm just here to say that to deal with those losses, just understand that it's not your fault. Like the market just moves, and sometimes the market doesn't move in the probabilistic way of you wanting it to move in your direction to hit your TP. Sometimes that just doesn't happen for even like a series of trades. It could be 4, it could be 5, it could be 2, it could be any type of trade. down 300, like 400 points in 3 trades or 4 trades. So that's I'm not here to just try to get it back. I'm gonna just keep taking the same trades how I usually do, and keep risk managing how I usually do, and that works. I know that works. I have a lot of data on that working, and I know that I can get through this time of the market of it being how it wants to move and how it's going against me, and all that good stuff, bro. Yeah, it's not that big of a deal. I just wanted to make a video on it so I could just tell you guys how I feel. And yeah, it's gonna happen. Just follow your plan. Don't revenge trade. Don't FOMO. Don't try to get it all back in one trade. Just follow your plan, because it will happen. It will happen. So when it does happen, just understand it's probability at the end of the day, and there's nothing you can do about it. And all you can do is follow your plan and risk manage. Market is random. We don't know the sequence. Just understand that. And follow your plan. And follow the data. Let the math. Sometimes you're going to have pullbacks in your P&L. It's fine. But we're here to trade. I understand we want to make money. But to make money, what do you have to do? Follow your plan. Follow the risk management. Follow the data. Much love, everybody. Have a great day. Subscribe. Like the video. Send me a DM if you have a question. Deuces.